Mari kita perhatikan bersama. Kamu bisa mengikuti setelah saya. Last week was a terrible day for me. My cousin and I were playing football in front of the house to spend time with us. First, it was really fun until I kicked the ball too strong. So, the ball leaded me to the window and broke the window. When we want to escape, suddenly we all heard a loud voice. After that, the owner of the house came out of the fence. He yelled at us. We were very afraid of him, but we didn't know what to do. Then, one of my cousins told us to run. We all ran, and suddenly we heard that sound of dogs. Then we knew that homeowners allowed dogs to chase us, and we were struggling to run as fast as we can. But I fell down, so the dog managed to capture me and bit my leg. It was really hurts me. Then the dog ran back into the house. My cousin took me to the doctor and told my parents. In the end, the doctor said that I was exposed to rabies. Then I was hospitalized for 1 week more. That's a terrible day of the week for me. May not happen to me again in my life.